What if you could unlock your healthiest self with simply changing your diet? These 10 nutrition secrets are backed by science and easy to use. Best of all, they work without extreme diets or giving up favorites. Let's explore these game-changing nutrition hacks for your health. Welcome to MTH Health, your go-to channel for sustainable wellness. Today, we're revealing 10 expert-approved nutrition strategies to transform your life. Stay until the end. Secret number 10 could be your easiest health upgrade. Are you ready? Let's begin. First, we have the 80-20th rule of eating. Eat clean 80% of the time, enjoy treats 20%. This creates a balanced, sustainable diet long-term. You don't need to be perfect, consistency is key. Next, consider hydration timing. Drink water first thing in the morning. This practice wakes up your system and flushes toxins. Better digestion and boosted metabolism follow this simple tip. Think of it as your morning reset button. Now, let's talk about fiber as a power tool. Fiber supports digestion and is beneficial for your body overall. It nurtures good gut bacteria and stabilizes blood sugar. Add lentils, chia seeds, oats, and berries to your meals. Your energy levels will appreciate this addition. Fourth, color-rich plates are a smart choice. A colorful plate is more than visually appealing. Each color reflects different vitamins and antioxidants. Aim for 5 colors in your meals daily. The more colors, the more nutrients absorbed. Fifth, practice mindful eating. How you eat matters just as much as what you consume. Slow down, put your phone away, and chew thoroughly. This improves digestion and helps you avoid overeating. Mindfulness makes every bite more satisfying. Next is the protein timing hack. Begin your day with protein within 30 minutes of waking. This manages hunger hormones and prevents energy crashes. Eggs, Greek yogurt, and protein smoothies are great options. Small changes bring significant rewards. Seventh, understand gut health boosters. Your gut houses trillions of bacteria, linked to overall health. Support it with probiotic foods like yogurt and kefir. Include prebiotics like garlic, bananas, and oats too. Healthy guts lead to better health overall. Eighth, recognize the sleep and nutrition link. Poor sleep disrupts hunger and satiety hormones. Lack of sleep leads to cravings for sugar and overeating. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Good sleep makes for smarter eating choices. Ninth, decode hidden sugar. Sugar often hides in unexpected places. Read food labels carefully for terms like dextrose or fructose. Keeping sugar intake in check promotes better overall health. Less sugar means better energy and mood. Finally, we have the 5-minute morning prep. Mornings can make or break your nutrition game. Spend 5 minutes preparing something healthy, like a smoothie. This habit saves time and reduces poor choices later in the day. One small change leads to tremendous results. There you have it, 10 powerful secrets to nourish yourself. Which secret will you try first?
Let us know in the comments.
If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Remember, you don't need a perfect plan, just progress. Stay healthy, happy, and join us in the next video.